I'm going to get started by demonstrating the trim command. Let's just take for an example, we'll pretend that we wanted to modify this table. Let's say we wanted to remove this information. I did a left to right box select to select everything that was within that box, and then I hit delete, and that left this one item, this little line. I'm going to delete that. Now I've got all these tails. I want to get rid of those. So I'm going to just type in the trim command, TRIM, and hit enter. And now the first thing it's telling me down in the command line here is it wants me to set the cutting entities for trim. So I'm going to select this bottom edge, and now that's the only edge I want to trim to. So I'm going to right click now, and now it's asking me to select the entities to trim. So I'm going to do a right to left box selection this time to select all of those lines, and just like that, they're gone. Okay, so now let's say we have the opposite scenario. Say we had this on our drawing, and we'll pretend that we wanted to add another line here. Okay, so first thing I would do, let's just go in and select all of these things. I'm going to pick a base point and copy it down so that it stays with the same spacing. I'm going to use a different head, I think, but I want this line so that when I put the head there, I can center it. Okay, now I need to bring all of these down instead of trim them off like we did before. So I'm going to type extend. Now I'm going to select the boundary edge, which is going to be this bottom line. Now I'm going to right click because that's the only boundary edge I want. Now I'm going to do again a right to left box select, and it's going to extend everything that it can to that boundary edge.